Assalamualaikum and selamat sejahtera. My name is Muhammad Nur Afiq bin Amran, and today I'm going to present about my research project, which are the cumin essential oil as food coating application. Cumin is one of the most commonly used spice for food preparation. It is also used in traditional medicine such as a stimulant, a carminative, and an astringent. In this study, we use each data from each journal that's shown in the poster, and we characterize the antimicrobial, antioxidant, and phenolic content of the cumin against several gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria, such as E. coli, that were sensitive to various oil dilution. Food packaging material comprise the largest category of application of nanotechnology in food industry, such as nanoparticle. The problem statement for this research is synthetic chemical preservative in food can be harmful to human health. This problem has increasingly attracted concern and interest from researchers, which has led to the study and application of non-toxic essential oil with preservative in ability to food product and food packaging. For example, the first studies of food development of active packaging are related to the use of silver nanoparticle, which has been widely employed as food packaging additive to increase shelf life of food by controlling the growth of bacteria, such as E. coli. The nanoparticles were efficient in controlling the growth of pathogen. However, some studies have shown that silver nanoparticles are harmful to human health, as reported by Carbon study in 2016. In March of 2014, the United States Environmental Protection Agency, or EPA, prohibited the sale of food packaging that contain silver nanoparticle. Thus, the objective of this project is to analyze the antimicrobial action, antioxidant, and total phenolic content of cumin essential oil based on the data that we compared from each journal. We also look at the chemical composition of cumin essential oil that analyzed using GCMS equipment. Finally, we can identify if we can use CEO as food packaging as an alternative to inorganic material like silver nanoparticle in packaging. For the scope and methodology, we look at each journal and they use same method as each other. As for the antimicrobial action, they use this diffusion method. We take a several disc of filter paper and soak into CEO for 24 hours and place it in an agar that contains several bacteria. The length of halos that form along the disc were measured and collected. Next, to identify the chemical composition of CEO, we use GCMS equipment and we record the retention time and area percentage of the oil. As for antioxidant, we use beta-carotene bleaching test. The electron abilities of the corresponding extract and some pure compound were measured from the bleaching of the purple-colored methanol of 2,20-diphenyl picril hydrazine, or DPPH. The total phenolic content were measured using Foligno-Calato method. Gallic acid was used as the standard calibration curve, and the total phenolic content were expressed as a gallic acid equivalent per gram of tested extract. The results shown are the chemical composition of cumin essential oil as reported by Alizadeh Behbahani. The major constituent of the oil consist of cuminal and cumin, about 50% of the total compound. Others report by Ikani in 1999 and Sultan in 2009 shown the same data as Alizadeh Behbahani. Also by Rong and Zitong in 2004 shown that 37 components measured in cuminal and cumin are the major constituent of the oil. The graph shown are the inhibition zone as reported by Alizadeh Behbahani. In general, the EO has an inhibitory effect toward gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. However, the effect is varied due to the microorganism type and the concentration. It shows that the highest, which is 15.5 mm, and the lowest is 10 mm at the inhibition zone at 40 mg concentration. So we can hypothesize that the antimicrobial effect increase as the function of EO concentration increase. However, there are no inhibitory effect towards aeruginosa at 5 and 10 mg and E. coli at 5 mg. Same results are shown by Hafid Ajlawi as shown. The graph shown are the antioxidant activity as shown by Journal of Food Science, Volume 75. The antioxidant activity percentage of cumin essential oil were determined by beta-carotene bleaching test, revealed that higher potency than the standard BHT or butylated hydroxytoluene, but lower than BHA, butylated hydroxyanisole, at 60, 90, and 120 minutes. Same result were shown by GACA in 2007. Cumin essential oil exhibit a dose-dependent scavenging of DPPH radical, and 5.4 micromilligram of oil was sufficient to scavenge 50% of DPPH radicals. Ho and others reported in 2018 that IC50 of DPPH scavenging was reported at 768 micromilligram extract solids. IC50 for antioxidant activity of cumin essential oil were reported to be 54.7 gram by million in 2018. The radical scavenging effect of cumin essential oil was found to be 3 times more potent than the standard BHA and 4.8 times greater than BHT, but less potent than Trolox. The table shown are the total phenol content of cumin essential oil is estimated to be 33.43 micromilligram of gallic acid equivalent per milligram of oil. The cumin variety used in the present study contains 3.9-fold high phenolic than the 8.6 mg per gram phenolic content in methanolic extract of cumin reported by Dipswamy in 2005. Phenol content of cumin essential oil was reported to be 0.21 micromilligram per milligram by million in 2008. Total phenolic content was 75 micromilligram gallic acid equivalent per milligram extract solid reported by Ho in 2008. The higher phenolic acid level in metallic extract could due to extraction of both non-polar and semi-polar soluble phenolic acid. The plant phenols and flavonoids are known to inhibit lipid peroxidation by quenching lipid peroxy radicals and reduce or chelate iron in lipoxygenase enzyme, thus prevent inhibition of lipid peroxidation reaction reported by Takahama in 1985. As for conclusion, from the previously mentioned result, it can be concluded that CEO exhibit antimicrobial activity against the tested microorganism, and it could be a better natural antioxidant. The essential oil provides better antioxidative activity as compared with synthetic antioxidant, which could find its application in food, cosmetic, and medicine. It's easily available and public acceptability, low cost, flavor contribution, and its application as a major ingredient in various food recipes are additional advantage. Hence, the essential oil of cumin may be exploited as a natural antimicrobial and antioxidant agent. So we can use the cumin essential oil as the food packaging in many food industry and other industry as well. Thank you. That's all from me.